This is a video showing this new design of 3D printed figures over here that are giant scale. Over here for comparison are a Giants and a He-Man that are produced by Mattel. These other four characters are 3D printed. You can see the Prince Adam is painted. The others are not painted. We got Merman, Trapjaw, and Leech over there. One cool thing about this new design is the parts are interchangeable, which I'll show you. You can also see the sculpt. Notice the 3D printed is much closer to a vintage figure rather than a rather derpy looking head that came with the Mattel ones. This is actually based on the scan of the vintage figure. But as far as interchangeable parts, you can just snap the pieces off to put the new looks. But what's even cooler than that is if you could take parts like this, swap around parts and make your own custom figures, even when that's kind of silly. This is a Leech arm with a Trapjaw head. Here's a Trapjaw arm on Merman. He-Man's arm on Leech over there. And the cool thing is this is what they did with the original characters. Swap around parts and you have a new figure. Give it a different paint scheme and you can reproduce vintage figures or make your own funky designs. Trapjaw is comically shorter than the other characters. That's kind of funny. You can really see that with He-Man's head on them. But these are all scaled the same way as the originals. You can see He-Man is quite a bit taller than Trapjaw, and Trapjaw is quite a bit shorter than the other ones when you have them standing next to each other, just like the vintage. His head kind of makes him a bit taller, but yeah, so that's this new design. They snap apart. Here's the Giants. Here's the 3D printed at the same scale, 12 inches.